Hey, boys and girls, it's day 2 of reading, and today we're going to work on fix-up strategies. If you're looking at my screen, you're going to see an anchor chart that's also included in your packet, and it says use fix-up strategies. Well, after you read the passage today, I want you to look at this chart and think about what strategies you used while you were reading. Notice on the left-hand side it says if it's the whole story, and I have an issue like a section I don't understand, I can back up and reread it. I can cross-check it. I can think to myself, does that seem right? Does it sound right? Could it really happen that way? I can retell and review the story, or I can adjust my reading rate. And that's really important, boys and girls, because if you're reading it too fast, you're not going to hold the meaning of the story. And if you're reading it too slow, then you're going to lose the meaning of the sentences, which makes you lose the meaning of the story. Now, the left-hand side is just if it's the whole story. If you just get stuck on a word or are unsure of a word, these are some strategies you can use. Sound it out. You can look for parts of a word. The prefixes or smaller words that are included. You can use your context clues. Read the sentences before and after. You can replace it with another word. Sometimes similar words like chair and couch. They look very similar visually, but when you slow down and read them and replace them with each other, you can figure out which word you need to use. You can skip it if you can. Maybe the word you're stuck on is just a technical term that really is just a name of something, or it doesn't give you any more meaning to your story. And you can actually use a dictionary if you really have to know the word. Boys and girls, dictionaries are sometimes tricky to use, and we may have lessons on that a little bit later. You can ask someone around you also to help you if you have a dictionary that you want to use. But boys and girls, we call these our fix-up strategies. They are strategies we use to help us understand or fix up something so that we can more clearly understand what we're reading. Today in your assignments, you're going to read the passage that's included in the packet and uploaded on Canvas. And then you're going to simply list 2 of the strategies you used today. Happy reading. See you soon.